Hello and welcome. Thank you for checking out our Absolutely Floored YouTube channel. I'd really like to introduce a brand new line from Mohawk that we have called Airo. And Airo is completely revolutionary. It's the first carpet ever introduced on the industry that's 100% hypoallergenic. It's also made from 90% recycled materials and is 100% recyclable. What's really unique about this product is that the carpet is actually built right into the backing, so they don't have the standard latex backing, which would give off like a VOC off gas with a traditional latex laminated backing. So with these ones, your underlay is built right into the carpet, 100% VOC free and 100% hyperallergenic. The product is also what they call hydrophobic, which means that it's entirely stain resistant. Literally nothing that you pour on it can affect the carpet and cause it to leave a stain. The warranties are excellent. We're gonna leave a link on the underneath that'll show the exact warranties offered from Mohawk. The product is one of the easiest to install, and years down the road, when you ever wanted to replace the carpet, what you would do is actually, all the carpet has a 1-800 number built right into the backing from Mohawk. And you can call Mohawk and they'll arrange and pay for the shipping for you to send this back to Mohawk. And Mohawk will recycle it and make more Airo out of this down the road. So again, really amazing product on the market. Please check out our website listed below. Thank you so much for watching.